Hey guys, it's me. I'm new to YouTube. I'm BWhatTheFuck96. And you might not really see me that well because it's like the middle of the night. I'm not sure. I just woke up because the fire alarm went off. But I need to show you guys something really fast before this goes off. Notice I might pull the fire alarm my building so it was happening. I guess the fire, whatever it's called, station came, I guess. And my dog, Callie. Okay, just wait, let me zoom out. And my dog, Callie, right here. You see this? This is my hands and my dog. My dog, Callie. Oh, wow, my dog's going crazy right now. She doesn't really know what to do. She's just staring because there's a bunch of dogs out here. Okay, Callie, move your big fat head. This is as much as I can do. Is that Illuminati? I see a green eye. That's probably just my camera. Whoa, just happened. Oh yeah, that's my dog that just got right in my camera. Okay, so oh yeah, and I'm like hanging out my window and my phone's literally about to drop off the window. And I get more out the window. Okay, now I'm like way more out the window, way more than I was before. Okay, I'm about to fall. I need to get out. Okay, well now I'm on my bed. Oh, and there's like some dogs everywhere, so there's a dog over there somewhere, which you can't see because the light sucks. Okay, well, guys, that's all for today. I'm probably gonna post a video in the morning. I'm not sure, probably a room tour or something, but bye. Thank you, please subscribe or like the video because I'm new. Okay, bye bye.